Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Descent MK1 Sapphire, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. First thing we need to do is to basically find the steps glance. And to do it, once you're on the home screen on the current watch face, simply press the down button to scroll through the list of glances, and one of them should be the step glance. And here we have it. Here we have the amount of steps taken, the goal, and if you want to see more detailed information, you can press the start button, and here we have the information for the week, whole week basically, the progression, and also the distance if you like to check it. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can check more detailed information on the phone. So I'm gonna bring the phone right here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen, like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect application. In the application, you should see My Day page, and on it there will be a steps widget. And you can tap on it to open more information, or you should be able to. Okay, it opened for some reason in different aspect ratio, which is weird, but oh. Let's try again. Okay, here we have it, and we have the steps right here, and we have goal for the day. We can also check the weekly progress, 4 weeks, 1 year, and you have a lot of information right here. And once you're done, you can of course close the application. And that's how you check or track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.